Your home's front door is one of the first things that guests notice when they come to visit. It is also responsible for keeping your family safe, keeping drafts out, and blocking out noise from traffic and other external sources. If your front door is damaged or worn out and failing in one or more of these areas, it may be time to replace it. Good morning. Welcome to Mark in the Mornings. Having a little coffee with you. Today I want to talk to you about should you replace your front door. We're going to talk about different kinds of doors and whether or not you should replace it. But remember, whether your home is for sale or you're just having guests coming over or people driving by, your front door is the first impression of your house, and whether or not you take care of it says a great deal about what people will expect when they find the interior. But let's get to the topic of should you replace your front door? Which type of door should you use? A steel door? The steel door is the best choice in terms of security. Steel doors are also energy efficient, durable, and affordable. They don't warp, but they can become dented, scratched, and rusted. Steel doors are available in numerous styles and can be painted. If you would prefer a wood door, you can choose from several species and paint or varnish the door in the color of your choice. Wood doors can withstand damage from normal use and scratches and can be fixed fairly easily. The downside is that a wood door can become weathered from exposure to rain and sunlight and must be painted and varnished regularly to keep it from warping and swelling. But since a wood door can be damaged by weather, it's best to choose one only if the entryway is covered or if you plan to use a storm door. I can tell you from personal experience working with buyers that a wooden front door makes the best impression when you sell your house. Well, if it makes the best impression to a potential buyer, it also makes the best impression to the guests who are coming to your house. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass doors are made with composite materials. They can be manufactured to closely resemble wood, but they don't have the drawbacks of real wood. A fiberglass door won't swell, shrink, rot, or warp. Fiberglass doors are better at resisting insects and fire than wood doors. Plus, fiberglass is easier to maintain. Fiberglass doors are also more secure and energy efficient than wood doors, but they tend to be more expensive. Steel and fiberglass doors have a thermal break or an insulated separation that keeps outside temperatures from affecting the inside of the house. They can also keep heated air inside during the winter and cooled air inside during the summer. By preventing air transfer, a new front door can make your home more energy efficient and can significantly lower your utility bills. If you live on a busy street, you may be annoyed by the sounds of cars driving by, people talking, and dogs barking outside your house. Some doors are constructed to block out noise from traffic and other outdoor sources. But choose the right front door for your home. Installing a new front door can quickly and easily make your home more secure and energy efficient, upgrade its style, and increase its value. If you decide to replace your front door, do it before the winter months. You don't want to let cold air into your house while workers are removing the old door and installing the new one. Review your options and shop around for a door that suits your home and your budget. Thank you for watching my video. I invite you to go to my website at markrenner.com and browse. There's some interesting things on there. There's videos on what the real estate market is like right now, how COVID-19 has affected our real estate market. Also at my website, you can get special buyer and seller reports. Just click on that link and I will email you or mail you whichever reports you want. There's reports for buyers, how to buy a house, sellers, what to do to get your house ready for sale, information on mortgages, builders, and other interesting things. I can mail them or email them to you because I have them in a digital format. So my personal contact information is streaming below. You can email me, mark@markrenner.com, and let me know what special reports you'd like, or just give me a phone call. Please feel free to call me if you'd like further explanation on any of my videos, or if you have any real estate questions at all. I simply see my mission as striving to be as helpful as I possibly can to area homeowners. I hope this video provides the information you need to be an informed homeowner. Have a great day and be safe.